This Mangoal 4K dashcam is shaped specifically for the fourth-generation Toyota Sienna, so it replaces the factory sensor cover cleanly and looks like original equipment rather than an add-on. Installation tucks the wiring out of sight behind the rear-view mirror area, so the cabin stays tidy and there is no need to run awkward cables around the windshield. The camera captures very sharp, ultra-high-definition footage with a bright, wide-aperture lens and a modern image sensor that keeps details readable in both daylight and at night. Built-in wireless connectivity and a companion application let you review clips on your phone, move important files to another device, and share incidents without removing the memory card. Loop recording and an impact detection sensor work together so everyday driving is recorded continuously while collisions are automatically saved and protected from being overwritten. The package includes a generous memory card, vehicle-specific power adapter, trim tools, and clear guidance, and it is backed by ongoing technical support from a specialist dashcam maker.